So before you do this, guys, make sure you have some type of protection around your brakes and your rotors, because you don't want to get this stuff on the brakes and rotors. But this is the brand of that I'm using, the Type S. So let's get this show on the road. This is my first time doing this. So all right, guys, here we go. Okay, here we go. All right. Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. And in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how I painted my wheels on my Cadillac. But before I do that, here's a quick video of me trying to say plasti dip for the first time. It's freaking hilarious, guys. Check this out. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. And in today's video, I'm going to be plasti dipping.
Jesus is Lord! Hey, y'all, come look at this.
Plasti dipping. Way to say it, plasti dip. I'm gonna plasti dip my Cadillac wheels. Okay, after that little laughter, I'm gonna get out the car and show you guys the end result. Is the next day. I had to put this stuff on. I did it around 8 o'clock last, not 8, 7 o'clock. 7 last night, and I left it overnight. And then, you know, it's not 100% perfect, but it's close, because it's my first time doing it, and I think I did a good job, except for one of my wheels where I kind of put too much on the Cadillac badge. But let me show you guys. It's cool. Well, that's basically it for this video. If you guys want to see something else, anything for me, like me doing to the Cadillac, hit me up in the comment section. Let me know what you want to see. I was actually thinking about selling the Cadillac. I got a lot of offers on it, but I haven't gotten the price that I want yet. I didn't get the right price yet. So once I get the right price, I'll sell it. So let me know what y'all think in the comment section about this little DIY or mod, if you would consider that a mod. I don't think I consider it a mod, but I guess it's considered one. I only painted the wheels, the outside of the wheels, not like the inside, because I wasn't going to take out the whole wheels and then paint the inside. It's going to take longer, so it is what it is. But if you like this video, subscribe, hit that thumbs up, and leave me a comment in the comment section. You know, let's chat it up. Yeah, have a wonderful day. Peace out.